This is chocolate. It didn't start like this. But just a few days before this, it looked like this. These are cocoa pods, and they don't grow on branches. They grow directly on the tree trunk. Inside each pod are seeds covered in a white pulp. And here's the strange part. Fresh cocoa beans don't taste like chocolate at all. They're bitter, almost inedible. So instead of using them right away, they leave them to ferment for days. This step can take several days, and small changes here can completely affect the final taste. It looks like it's rotting, but this is where the flavor actually starts to develop. After that, the beans are dried under the sun. The beans have to be turned constantly, so they dry evenly under the sun, slowly losing moisture and becoming more concentrated. Only now, they begin to smell like chocolate. Then they're sorted and prepared in large batches and sent to factories. From here, everything becomes faster, more controlled, and much more precise. And this is where everything changes. First, roasting. Heat transforms the beans completely, changing their flavor, color, and aroma. Different temperatures create different flavors, which is why not all chocolate tastes the same. Then they're crushed and ground into a thick liquid. At this stage, it's still very intense and bitter. This is pure cocoa, no sugar, no milk, just the raw base of chocolate. But here's what most people don't realize. Chocolate goes through a very precise process called tempering. It's heated, cooled, and heated again. Even a small mistake here can ruin the texture completely. This controls how it looks, how it snaps, and how it melts. Without this step, chocolate would be soft, dull, and wouldn't have that clean break. The cooling has to be controlled, so the chocolate keeps its structure. After that, it's poured into molds, cooled down, and shaped into the bars you recognize. By this point, the transformation is complete. From a bitter seed inside a fruit to something millions of people eat every day. And none of it starts in a factory. It starts on a tree.